Hello friends! Today I'm going to show you how to make therapeutic art with your iPad or tablet. This exercise is great for beginners, whether you're a kid or an adult, and it's especially good for those of you who are worried about making mistakes. Since with an iPad or tablet, it's so easy to erase your mistake and just continue on. So let's get started with the exercise. Before the art making, make sure you're in a distraction-free environment and that you have notifications turned off on your iPad or tablet. So the materials you need are an iPad or tablet, as well as a stylus. I'm using a really basic one that I got from Amazon, but you can use something different like the Apple Pencil. And of course, you need a drawing app. I use the app Adobe Photoshop Sketch, but there are other options like Medibang, Autodesk Sketchbook, MyPaint, and Krita. So I'm opening up the app. The art therapy exercise is to get in touch with your mood or how you're feeling today. And imagine if you could illustrate this feeling as a landscape, what kind of landscape or place would that be? And create an image of that landscape. So think about what kind of weather it would be, what kind of things would there be in the background and in the foreground. And if there are any people or objects or plants. You can include a lot of different things or make it very simple. Many people associate drawing or painting as art therapy, but art therapy can be done with digital mediums as well. These days, there are many different ways to use digital technologies with art therapy. You can do digital storytelling, filmmaking, animation, and even virtual reality. This can be easier for people who already have a tablet or iPad. And the neat part of this digital art therapy exercise is that it's easy to erase and start over. You can make it simple or you can make it complex with a lot of different layers. You can work on it as much as you want or as little as you want. The benefit of digital art therapy is that it helps you have increased concentration, more focus, and higher self-esteem, especially for children, and it can be a very satisfying medium to use for kids with autism. What I like about digital art therapy and using my iPad for drawing is it really interests me and it's easy to use. It's always there for me, next to me, so it's easy to get in the flow. But I do have a little warning that you don't want to use this right before you sleep because the blue rays can disrupt your sleeping pattern. So when you are done with your picture, you can write the date of today and a title for this piece somewhere in the picture. This is optional. After the art, you can do a little bit of reflective writing, and I just use my iPad to write down the questions, but you are free to use a notebook and pen to do this part. First question is, what kind of place is this? Just describing what kind of place it is and what is inside the landscape. Second question is, what kind of weather or climate would you describe this place? Third question is, if you could enter this picture or landscape, where would you be in this place and why? The last question is, what would you change about this landscape? If you enjoyed this exercise, I have a lot more of these art therapy prompts in my free creative art retreat ebook. So make sure to check out that link in my description box. But thank you so much for following along this exercise. If you like this, please subscribe to the channel and give a thumbs up. I'll see you next time. Bye!